Hey everyone, it's Kim from Square Foot Gardening for You. Just wanted to show you a seeding square. You know, there are things you don't need in the garden, but there are things that are kind of fun. I've got my grandson with me today, but he's not interested in planting right now. He's 3 years old and has a mind of his own. The seeding square has the holes already lined up for you to plant. So the red would be 16 per square, and the yellow is 9 per square. The blue is 4 per square, and of course the hole in the middle is for 1 per square. And the fun thing about this is it comes with a dibble, so you can make your holes for planting, and then it comes with a little funnel. The funnel is great when you're working with kids because you can transfer it from hole to hole, and that way the child can help you with the planting. So anyway, I am about to plant some carrots that are 16 per square. And it doesn't have to just be kids that use the funnel. I sometimes have a little bit of trouble with my hand-eye coordination. Recently I injured my thumbs, and so using something like this is going to help me get the seed into the hole. So I'm going to plant carrots, and that is 16 per square. So I'm just going to go along and poke a hole, really shallow hole, into each one of the red. And then I could either take it off if I wanted to. I could take it off, and you got yours, very good. So I could take it off and I could use the holes there, or I can just leave it on and go ahead and plant from here using the funnel, and that's what I think I'm going to do. Anyway, again, this is called a seeding square, and I just absolutely have a lot of fun with it. Again, this is Kim with Square Foot Gardening, the number 4 and the letter U. Join me on Facebook.